Welcome to the session. So, guys, in today's session, we are going to discuss few important multiple choice questions relating to the final accounts as far as all entrance exams are concerned. We are exclusively dealing with the final accounts. So, we are just going to discuss like 10 to 11 important MCQs. Guys, do kindly subscribe our channel and tap on the bell icon for more updates. So, you people can get good amount of benefit out of it. So then after, like guys, let me forward to various groups as far as this concept is concerned. Ha guys, you can join our WhatsApp group for more discussions, notes and notifications. So ఎవరికైనా మన notes కానీ ఇంకేదైనా discussions కానీ కావాలి అని అనుకున్నప్పుడు you people can directly go for our WhatsApp group. So our WhatsApp group link is provided there. So ha yeah guys. Let us wait for one more minute. So let other people also get joined. So guys, don't forget to subscribe our channel. Yeah. So we are going back to the main content of the session today. So guys, ha. So you guys, you can solve the question number one. So which of the following is a capital expenditure? So our question లో ఏం అడుగుతున్నారంటే ఈ కింద ఇచ్చిన ఫోర్ ఆప్షన్స్ లో క్యాపిటల్ ఎక్స్పెండిచర్ ఏది అని అడుగుతున్నారు. ఇట్స్ క్లియర్లీ ఆస్కింగ్ విచ్ ఆఫ్ ద ఫాలోయింగ్ ఆప్షన్స్ belongs to the capital expenditure. So look after the four options are being given. All the four options are being given from the expenditure fraternity. So you can just look over it. A group of expenditures has been given in the options. Kindly recognize the capital expenditure. Yeah. So very good, very much welcome for all the people. So before going to the discussion, let us make one thing more clear. The thing over here is let us know people what exactly the capital expenditure and revenue expenditure meant for. So sadharananga, so difference between revenue expenditure and capital expenditure telvali first. We have to know it. So there are basically two types of expenditures in any kind of business. The first one is the capital expenditure, and the second one is revenue expenditure. One minute, please. Yeah. So what exactly this revenue expenditure and capital expenditure speaks about? సహజంగా క్యాపిటల్ ఎక్స్పెండిచర్ అంటే ఏంటి, రెవెన్యూ ఎక్స్పెండిచర్ అంటే ఏంటి అని అంటే, సో నార్మల్లీ వాట్ ఎవర్ ద ఎక్స్పెన్సెస్ విచ్ హ్యావ్ రిపిటేషన్ నేచర్ అంటే రికరింగ్, విచ్ ఆర్ రికరింగ్ or repeating, so which are recurring or repeating comes under revenue. Those expenses which are incurred only once, but not no repetition. So these capital expenditures are incurred to increase the earning capacity. जो expenses earning capacity के लिए बनते हो, so whatever the expenses that we do incur for increasing the earning capacity of the business are meant for capital expenses. So do let us know what exactly is all about. So capital expenditures, the four options లో capital expenditure ఏంటి అని అంటే, let us go look over it. See, carriage paid on goods purchased. See, whatever the carriage that we have paid, or whatever the expenditure, or whatever the expense that we have paid towards the purchases of the goods, generally every day now in any kind of business, generally the purchase is a day-to-day activity. Since the purchase is a day-to-day activity, generally we do pay some kind of expenses. So what does it mean? It is repetitive or non-repetitive in nature? It is purely repetitive. Every day we do pay carriage, every day we do pay carriage for the purchases that we have done for our business. So it is nowhere a part of capital expenditure. Then after, payment of compensation to a discharged employee. See, try to understand. Do you still think that whenever an employee is discharged, whatever the compensation that you are paying will really increase the earning capacity? మనం ఏదైతే డిశ్చార్జ్ ఎంప్లాయీస్ కి మనం కంపెన్సేషన్ పే చేస్తామో, ఆ కంపెన్సేషన్ అనేది ఎప్పటికీ కూడా ఎర్నింగ్ కెపాసిటీ పెంచదు. దట్ విల్ నాట్ రియల్లీ ఇంక్రీజ్ ద ఎర్నింగ్ కెపాసిటీ. సో వాట్ డస్ ఇట్ మీన్? ఇఫ్ ఎనీ expenditure that do not increase the earning capacity will not be considered as a capital expenditure. So obviously the option B is also not a capital expenditure. Option A is also not a capital expenditure. See, cost of formation of new company. See, very much important and very much important. And you are incurring a cost for a new company formation. What does it mean? Your business is expanding. So your business is expanding in the sense your earning capacity is also increasing. Your earning capacity is also increasing. So option D, let us look into the option D. Legal expenses incurred for abuse of trademark. See, trademark abuse చేసినందుకు మనం ఏవైతే సో లీగల్ ఎక్స్పెన్సెస్ ఏవైతే మనం పే చేస్తామో అవి ఇట్ ఈస్ అ కోర్స్ ఆఫ్ బిజినెస్. ఇట్ ఈస్ ఆన్ జనరల్లీ ఇట్ ఈస్ అ కోర్స్ ఆఫ్ బిజినెస్. సో ఇట్ ఈస్ నోవేర్ లుకింగ్, ఇట్ ఈస్ నోవేర్ కన్సిడర్డ్ ఫర్, it is nowhere considered for capital expenditure. So the correct answer is option C, costs of formation of new company. Huh? Is that okay, guys? Yeah, guys. Thank you very much. So we're getting good amount of responses. Ha. That's fine. So the next question is, let us wait for the answers. Yeah, guys. So the financial position of a business is ascertained by preparing what? See, generally, whatever it might be, see, look over, try to understand please. Wait a minute. Yeah. See, try to understand. The financial position of a business is ascertained by preparing which of the following accounts? See, try to understand the trading account, the manufacturing account, balance sheet, trial balance. See, సర్వసాధారణంగా మనం ఒక ఏ వ్యాపారమైనా ఏ సంస్థ అయినా ఫైనాన్షియల్ పొజిషన్ ఆర్థిక పరిస్థితులు తెలుసుకోవడానికి మనం దేన్ని ప్రిపేర్ చేస్తామో అని అడిగారు వారు. So they have asked clearly. So which of the following is prepared in order to know, or in order to ascertain, or in order to calculate the financial position? So very much important. Trading account ఎప్పటికీ కూడా it will not determine the financial position, but it determines only the gross profit or gross loss. So even in the case of manufacturing also, the profit or loss. Where the trial balance అనేది ఎప్పటికీ కూడా it shows the balances of the ledgers. It doesn't show you the correct exactly the financial position, but the since the balance sheet which ascertains which discloses the liabilities and assets. సో బ్యాలెన్స్ షీట్ అనేది అప్పులను మరియు ఆస్తులను చూపిస్తుంది కాబట్టి సిన్స్ ద బ్యాలెన్స్ షీట్ is disclosing the status of liabilities and assets of a particular organization, in that due context it resembles the financial position. The financial position of the business is being resembled by determining the amount of the liabilities and assets are being holded by the company. So in that due course, the balance sheet is the correct statement that is determining the financial position of the business. See, ఇక్కడ మీరు ఇంకొక ఇంపార్టెంట్ పాయింట్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు టేక్ ఇన్ టు ద కన్సిడరేషన్. దే డూ ఆస్ బ్యాలెన్స్ షీట్ ఈస్ అకౌంట్ ఆర్ స్టేట్మెంట్, అకౌంట్ ఆర్ statement, the question. So you have to be clearly mentioned. See, balance sheet is not an account, it is purely a statement. Balance sheet is nowhere treated as an account, it is purely a statement of assets and liabilities. I hope it is very clear. Yeah. So which of the following is debited to trading account? See, very much important, try to understand, guys. Trading account is nothing but trading account will be depicted, do prepared. See, in the trading account generally we do debit all the direct expenses. See, the credit all the direct incomes. So very much important, try to understand. In the trading account generally, or direct expenses will be debited and direct incomes will be credited. Whereas in the case of profit and loss account, all the indirect expenses will be debited and always indirect income will be credited. Very much important. సో సర్వసాధారణంగా ట్రేడింగ్ అకౌంట్ లో డైరెక్ట్ ఎక్స్పెన్సెస్ ని మనం డెబిట్ చేస్తాము, సో డైరెక్ట్ ఇన్కమ్ ని క్రెడిట్ చేస్తాము. ప్రాఫిట్ అండ్ లాస్ అకౌంట్ లో ఇండైరెక్ట్ ఎక్స్పెన్సెస్ ని డెబిట్ చేస్తాము, ఇండైరెక్ట్ ఇన్కమ్ ని క్రెడిట్ చేస్తాము. So after listening this particular logic, you people may come into a kind of dilemma, like how to consider a particular item as an indirect expense or indirect income, or direct expense or direct income. So sarvasadharananga, what is the difference between direct expense and indirect expense? In that due course you may get a kind of question. So you have to be much clear. So direct expenses are those expenses which are directly related to the production. See, very much important, Andy. Yeah, 1 minute please. Ha. See, sarvasadharananga, you need to be much careful. In all the times I do generally explain you the same things. See, direct expense. Direct expense, indirect expense. Very much important. Sarvasadharananga, you need to look for, on general basis, you need to be much careful. See, direct expenses are those expenses which are directly related to production. సో ప్రొడక్షన్ లో మనం ఇన్వాల్వ్ చేస్తూ ఏవైతే ఎక్స్పెన్సెస్ మనం ఇంకర్ చేస్తామో, వాట్ ఎవర్ ద ఎక్స్పెన్సెస్ దట్ వీఆర్ ఇంకరింగ్ డ్యూరింగ్ ద ప్రాసెస్ ఆఫ్ ప్రొడక్షన్ విల్ బి కన్సిడర్డ్ యాజ్ డైరెక్ట్ ఎక్స్పెన్స్. సో నార్మల్గా వాట్ డస్ ఇట్ మీన్, వాట్ డస్ ఇస్ ఇండైరెక్ట్ ఎక్స్పెన్స్ స్పీక్స్ అబౌట్? ఆబ్వియస్లీ డైరెక్ట్ అపోజిట్ ఇండైరెక్ట్ కాబట్టి, సో ఈవెన్ ద సేమ్ లాజిక్. సో ఎక్స్పెన్సెస్ which are not directly related to production, which are not directly related to production. See, let us take example. Sarvasadharananga. So how to, let us take example, how to make it more clear. See, in the production, generally we find the labors, isn't it? Labors. For the labors, what is the consideration that we pay for the labors? Obviously, it is a wages. Yes, guys, wages. So, very much important. Labors, you do prepare wages. But do you think so that employees are involved in production? No. Employees is nowhere related to production. nowhere related to production. Try to understand. Employees are nowhere related to production. So since employees are nowhere related to production, the whatever the salaries that we are paying to the employees are not the direct expenses. It are indirect expenses. Indirect expenses. So since the salaries are being paid or payable to the employees, ఎంప్లాయీస్ కి మనం సాలరీస్ పే చేస్తాం కాబట్టి వారు ప్రొడక్షన్ ఉత్పత్తిలో డైరెక్ట్ గా ఇన్వాల్వ్ అవ్వరు కాబట్టి దాన్ని మనం ఇండైరెక్ట్ ఎక్స్పెన్సెస్ గా కన్సిడర్ చేస్తున్నాము. ఇండైరెక్ట్ ఎక్స్పెన్సెస్ గా కన్సిడర్ చేస్తున్నాం కాబట్టి దోస్ విల్ బి ట్రీటెడ్ యాజ్ డెబిట్ ఐటమ్స్ ఆఫ్ ప్రాఫిట్ అండ్ లాస్ అకౌంట్. డైరెక్ట్ ఎక్స్పెన్సెస్ ని మనం ట్రేడింగ్ అకౌంట్ లో డెబిట్ చేస్తాము. ఇండైరెక్ట్ ఎక్స్పెన్సెస్ లో సో మనం ప్రాఫిట్ అండ్ లాస్ అకౌంట్ లో డెబిట్ చేస్తాం. ఐ హోప్ ఇట్ ఇస్ వెరీ క్లియర్. ఎస్ గైస్. యా. సో సార్, కొన్నిసార్లు క్వశ్చన్ లో యూ విల్ బి ఆస్కింగ్ టూ ఐటమ్స్ అబ్బా, రెంట్ అండ్ వేజెస్ అని ఇస్తాడు. సారీ. See, sometimes he may ask you like this: wages and salaries. Wages and salaries అంటాడు, salaries and wages అంటాడు. See, very much important. See, wages, what does it mean? Wages and salaries అన్నాడు, salaries and wages అన్నాడు. Is there any kind of difference? Yes, guys. See, very much important. Whenever they are being given this kind of things, see, wages and salaries. ఇక్కడ మనం కన్సిడర్ చేయాల్సింది, we have to consider only the item which coming first. Since it is a first item, we consider the wages. Here, the salaries is the first item, we consider salaries. So wages are direct expense. So salaries are indirect expense. So wages and salaries are considered as direct expense. Salaries and wages are considered as indirect expense. I hope it is very clear. Yes, guys. Chalo. Now let us go to the question. So what అడిగేది ఏంటంటే, yes, is asking us, so which of the following is debited to trading account? Trading account అంటే మనకు గుర్తు రావాల్సింది డైరెక్ట్ ఎక్స్పెన్స్. So which of the following are the direct expenses? Rent is not a direct expense, it is indirect expense. Wages and salaries అన్నారు, commission అన్నారు, salaries and wages అన్నాడు. See, here we are getting a bit of confusion. Wages and salaries and wages. Which we have to consider? The first item should be direct expense. Since the wages and salaries, in the wages and salaries, wages are considered as a direct expense, so we opt for the question wages and salaries. Yeah, guys, is that okay? Yeah, guys, do comment us. Yeah. Reshma MD, you are saying that you are facing a lot of tension tomorrow exam. No worries, Amma. Whatever the questions that we are discussing, kindly revise it. You will be getting only these questions in the exams. అసలు మీరు టెన్షన్ పడాల్సిన అవసరం ఏమీ లేదు. వెరీ గుడ్. So guys, kindly like our video. Don't forget to like our video. Like the video. Subscribe the channel. Do subscribe our channel and tap on the bell icon for more updates. And guys, kindly join our WhatsApp group. It will really help you in preparation. Yes, guys. Yeah. So kindly do like our video and subscribe our channel and tap on the bell icon for more updates. Yeah. Question number 4. Income tax paid by the sole proprietor. Income tax paid. Paid and enti. What does it mean? It is expense. See, income tax is nowhere related to the production. Since it is nowhere related to the production, it is indirect expense. So indirect expenses will be considered as a debit item of profit and loss account. See, very much important. See, selling and administration expenses. Selling and administration expenses are indirect expense. Indirect expenses. So indirect expenses will be shown in profit and loss account. Is that okay? Yeah, guys. So which of the following is not deducted from capital? A item ni capital nunchi deduct cheyaru, which will not be deducted. Is clearly asking not deducted. Is asking clearly not deducted. Is that okay? See, which of the following is not deducted from capital? Capital లో నుంచి లాస్ ని మనం డిడక్ట్ చేస్తాము, డ్రాయింగ్స్ ని డిడక్ట్ చేస్తాము, ఇన్కమ్ ట్యాక్స్ ని డిడక్ట్ చేస్తాము, బట్ విల్ నాట్ డిడక్ట్ ద లోన్. Loan will not be deducted. Option C. Yeah, very good, Sai Kumar. Then question number 7. Which liability is not shown in balance sheet? Yes, guys. Which liability is not shown in balance sheet? Yes, guys. Yeah, very good, very good, very good. So it is contingent liability. Which of the following is not a revenue receipt? Revenue receipt కానిది ఏంటి? Revenue receipt is a receipt that we do generally receive regularly and short amount. See, discount received is a revenue receipt. Sales made, sale of plant, commission. Commission is a regular amount. Sales is a regular amount. Discount is also a regular amount. But sale of plant is not a regular amount. So it is a capital receipt. Whenever we are selling a plant, that's it. The bulk amount we are getting. We will not get continuously the amount. Only once we will be getting the amount out of the sale that we have made towards a plant. Yes, guys. Yes, guys. 1 minute. I'll make it more clear. Yeah, question number 9. Expenditure of installation of new machinery. Expenditure of installation of new machinery. Very important question. Since we are installing a new machinery, it increases the earning capacity. Mana earning capacity increase chestadi kabatti it is a capital expenditure, which is not a repeating. It will not be repeating. That expenditure that we are incurring for installation of new machinery will not be repeated. Okay, na? Outstanding rent is a which account about? Try to understand. Outstanding. Very good, Vedita. Very good, very good. So, which of the following is an outstanding rent? Let me know. Outstanding rent is a purely representative personal account. Purely representative final accounts. So, guys, kindly subscribe our channel and tap on bell icon for more updates. Yeah. Out of the following, the one which is the which most liquid asset. Most liquid asset ante ఏంది? So from solid to cash, which of the following item is easily converted from solid to cash? So obviously the answer is D, cash. Sundry debtors, it takes some time. Inventory takes some time. Prepaid insurance, it takes a lot of time to get relative for the current year, and it is a cash. Option D. Guys, do kindly subscribe our channel and tap on the bell icon for more updates. So WhatsApp, kindly join our WhatsApp group. So WhatsApp group link already provided in the description of this video. Ee video description lo manamu WhatsApp group link అనేది provide చేయడం జరిగింది. I hope you people have really enjoyed well. Very soon we are going to start next worksheet. Stay tuned and join back our session. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.